welcome back to my channel. For today's layout I am using my homemade kit, and I think I discussed this in my kit share, how I thought I already saw this layout coming together with this beautiful paper from Heidi Swap from September Sky. So I'm literally doing probably exactly what I said if you saw the video I think I just posted about my kit share. So I am using my X-Acto knife and I am going through the edge of this gorgeous floral paper and going to be tucking a photo just behind it in order to kind of keep all of the flowers very beautiful and not covered up one bit. So the picture I'm scrapping is a perfect one because it gave a lot of negative space on the right of that photo. So the picture of Valentina in her swing will kind of tuck right underneath that and look really good. I mean, I love this graphic paper. I think this is why I've been hoarding it, because I'm like, it needs to be special, but I don't want to cut it. What are you going to do? It's the same with that other Maggie Holmes florals. I mean, florals just get to me all the time and I always want to do them justice. And so I think I kept the integrity of this whole layout and the florals that were in this pattern paper. So it made the rest of the layout stay very easy because I just wanted to keep like a cluster and then a title. And then in order to spruce it up a little bit, I did do a little bit of mixed media here. You'll see it shortly. So those are the little like clusters that I am auditioning for the layout. So I found this doily layout. This is from Prima, and I thought it would be nice to have it peek out underneath the bottom left corner of this. So I'm using Finnabar light modeling paste. And what I will say is that this is a great light paste and it is white. But in the end, I do not like the way this turned out because it pretty much dried clear. So then therefore the details show up gray like the background, and I really wanted it to be a nice white color, but you can see like how like neutral it became. So note to self, my one that always stays stark white is the freaking one from Michaels, the Artist Loft one. I use that modeling paste so much, and I do like this Finnabar, but this one's better at drying clear to absorb whatever the background paper may be, or even more mixed media. It'll absorb it, but if you want it to stay stark white, I do recommend the Artist Loft one. So note to self. Now my title, This Love Grows Here, that is from the thicker collection that I chose for my kit. So I'm using the title. A white butterfly was just in my stash. These are just extras all the time. And again, florals from Maggie Holmes are just always sitting on my desk because I did find another pack of the Flourish collection. And then those metallic gold ones are from Maggie Holmes Sunny Days. Those are like the last pieces I had, so I cut it apart. It was a cluster. And then I added a lot of sprinklings of these little red and pink and white hearts. That was also from my stash. And I did pop dot up some of the phrases on here. And did I do anything? Oh, and then I do go in with Maggie Holmes. No, not Maggie Holmes, Heidi Swap's gold shine, and then also the coral one as well, because this beautiful paper I thought deemed well for it too. So I will list the playlist down below of the rest of the ladies for the homemade kit down below. If you like my channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and until next time everyone, keep scrapping. Bye!